Today we're going to make our writing stronger by revising our persuasive letters by explaining the significance of our evidence. When we're talking about significant evidence, what we really mean is that we're explaining why our evidence is important. When we're writing our CERs, we can think of our evidence as the pieces that support our claim, just like the legs of this table are supporting the top of the table. And our reasoning helps us connect our evidence to our claim. We're going to do a quick little review of our CERs. I'm going to write a CER that answers this question. Is the cat going up or down the stairs? Go ahead and think about it for yourself. Now the first part of the CER is the claim. This is where we're going to answer the question. So the question is the cat going up or down? My answer would be the cat is going down the stairs. Notice that I colored this in blue. The next piece of a CER is the evidence. The evidence are the facts from the text, or in this case, the picture. I have two sentences of evidence here. I know this because I can see a dark spot underneath the cat. I can also see dark lines on each stair. Notice these are facts, you cannot argue with them, they are directly from the picture. Also notice that I colored these in red. Now if I were just to leave my paragraph like this, somebody who disagreed with me, or somebody who thought the cat was going up the stairs, might not understand what I'm trying to prove here. They might not understand why I'm talking about these dark spots and dark lines. So I need to make sure that I'm following up with my piece of reasoning. I'm going to provide one sentence of reasoning to explain how my evidence connects with my claim. Here are some questions that I can think about when I'm trying to write my reasoning. Out of all the evidence I could have used, why did I choose these pieces about the dark spots and the dark lines? What is important about my evidence? What am I trying to show or prove here? How does my evidence relate to my claim? So once I've thought about how my evidence relates to my claim, or how my evidence connects to my claim, I'm going to say this means that the sunlight is coming from above the cat, so the cat must be going down. I'm explaining how this evidence about the dark spots connects to my answer about the cat going down the stairs. Now that we've reviewed what a CER looks like, let's talk about how this applies to our body paragraphs in an essay. So our body paragraphs in an essay should all have a CER. The claim would be the topic sentence. The evidence would be at least 2 sentences of facts from the text. And our reasoning would be 1 sentence explaining how our evidence connects to our claim. We can call this combination of evidence and reasoning a 2 plus to 1 chunk. We call it a 2 plus because it means at least 2 sentences of evidence to 1 sentence of reasoning chunk. This would be called a 1 chunk paragraph. Now we can push our writing a little bit further and make our writing even stronger by following it up with another pair. We can go CER, ER, and do the same thing again. Another 2 sentences of evidence, and another sentence of reasoning. In this type of body paragraph, we would actually have a topic sentence, a 2 plus to 1 chunk, another 2 plus to 1 chunk, and we can call this 2 chunks. So this would be considered a 2-chunk body paragraph. Now it's your turn. First, you're going to look at your first body paragraph. Highlight your claim in blue, your evidence in red, and your reasoning in green. Use your notebook or this video to help you if you need support. Then you're going to revise your writing to make sure that you have 2 chunks. So again, each body paragraph should look like this. So let's go ahead and count the sentences together to make sure that you understand exactly what each body paragraph should look like. You'd have 1 topic sentence, 2 sentences for evidence, so that would be 3 sentences total, and then 1 sentence for your reasoning. So that's 4 sentences total so far. Your second chunk would have 2 more, so that's 6, and then your reasoning would be 7. So 7 sentences minimum for your body paragraphs. Once you've done this, repeat for the rest of your body paragraphs.